Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 microphone echo on PC and laptop. First method is type mmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmsys.cpl. Select microphone, click set default, click properties. Uncheck listen to this device. Change microphone to 80%. Uncheck enable audio enhancements. Second method is right-click start button, click device manager. First step update driver. If not working, second step is disable and enable device. If not working, third step is uninstall device. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.